Hello friends, in this video I'm gonna show you how to fix you aren't connected to any network problem in Windows 10 or 11. So guys, to resolve this issue, firstly you need to click on Start, then click on Settings. Now in here click on Network and Internet. Now scroll down. Now turn off flight mode. In case it's odd, so you need to turn off. Then click on Advanced Network Settings. Now click on Network Reset. Reset all network adapters to factory settings. Now click on Reset Now. Are you sure you want to reset your network settings? Click on Yes. Now you will see this dialog box. You are about to be signed out. Windows will shut down in 5 minutes. Shutdown will start this particular time. So close it and restart your PC. And after restart, connect your Wi-Fi and enter password. Again it will ask. So like this guys, you can fix this issue. Thanks for watching this video. Please comment this video work for you or not.